How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force 47 TIR. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Then you'll see a connector here at the end of your cable, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you'll also see your main power cables, and then your AUX cable to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme. Now today I am going to be using our standard Supreme control box, but we also offer our handheld Supreme control box. So let's go over the functions here, and then I'll hop back and show you some of the functions of our handheld. So to hook your light bar up using our Supreme control, you'll simply run your connector to your Supreme control box. And then I went ahead and ran my power cable, so my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. Now I did bring a standard red-blue unit with me today, and all of our full-size light bars come standard with 2 white takedowns, 2 white alleys, and a traffic advisor in the back. And we offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. And we even have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. Now let's go over the functions of your Supreme control. So you'll notice on your Supreme control that you have your slide switch here. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those 3 modes off of your slide switch. And then you have your pattern button here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. You can get programmed on a pattern you'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so when you turn your light bar off and back on, it will remember the last pattern it was on. And you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and then your front mode and program a pattern here, your light bar will remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple of flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its steady burn mode. And then if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you'll see that you have your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons here. So when these features are activated, they will go steady burn, and these do function independently whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when these buttons are deactivated, you'll see those modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. And then we also offer a multicolor upgrade here for our takedowns and alleys, to where when they are flashing, they will flash with the warning light bar color ordered. And then when you activate these buttons, they will still go steady burn white. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and aux button. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here to show you the traffic advising feature, and you'll see that your traffic advisor will come standard amber on all of our full-size light bars. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here, to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash the warning light bar color ordered, and when you activate your traffic advisor, they will go amber. So you'll see on your Supreme control that you can do center out, you can do right left, and left right, which you can all easily access on your Supreme control. And then finally you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control box. And you'll use your extra aux cable harness to hook those lights up. Now let's go over your handheld Supreme. So you'll see the main difference with our handheld Supreme is its more compact handheld design. And then you'll see that the slide switch is replaced with 3 buttons up here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. And then you have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button, your alley button, you have your traffic advising features, and then your cruise mode. And then you also have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. Now let's go over the mounting options of your unit. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll see the top cover fully encapsulates the base of your light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to as well. And then you'll see our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, and we also have vehicle specific gutter mount brackets. And then you'll see our permanent mount stud brackets if you need a permanent mount option, and these will use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to attach to your light bar like so, and you'll use 4 of these units with your light bar. And then we also have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to and sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 47 TIR. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below our product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.